Dr. DIY here. I'm going to show you how to upgrade the CCV on my 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Here's the stock setup. You can see that this rubber is prone to cracking. I had it cinched on with a cinch tie, but look at those cracks. And this was only replaced a couple months ago with a new kit from Dorman. So we'll take off the stock setup. Here's the better view of those cracks. I measured the valve at the valve cover. That was 9/16. And at the intake manifold, it's just a little over 3/8. So I went to the store and got some gas and coolant line, a 1/2 inch and 3/8. And I saw this coupling 1/2 inch to 3/8. Thought, great, that'll work. But when I put it together, it was just too loose. And I knew there would be some air leaks. And that's not what we want. So I went back to the hardware store and looked around, and I found this thing, 1/4 inch MIP by 3/8 inch barb. And this seemed to fit a lot better, as you can see here. Much more snug. So that made me feel good. Much better. Much better. Yeah! Now we're talking. So you connect it up and then get one of those hose clamps so we can really cinch it on good. Don't over tighten it though. Put it on the other side as well and do the same thing. Cinch it up snug. Now we can take it over to the Jeep. So I'm going to remove the old stock setup and compare the size.
Too long, so I'm probably gonna
Too long, so got to cut it down. So I cut it down. It looks like it's a little closer. So let's try to get that on there. I wiped the plastic valve at the valve cover with a little silicone lube to help get the hose on. Now I'm just cinching up a hose clamp at the valve cover and now at the intake manifold. Make sure it's on there snug. And here you can see the final setup. Pretty easy. If you like this video, give it a like so it's easier to find by others. Consider subscribing. If it really helped you out, consider buying me a cup of coffee or a beer. No annoying subscription needed. This is Dr. DIY signing off. I'll see you the next time something breaks.